Peekaboo, I see you. It's Miss Virginia. Peekaboo. Hello, my friends. This is a stand-up song, so I need everyone standing up and getting your floppy buddy ears ready and getting those hopping paws ready. Here we go. If I were a bunny, I'd tell you what I'd do. I'd hop, hop, hop to your front door and leave some eggs for you. Hopping along, Easter Bunny, hopping along, Easter Bunny, hopping along, Easter Bunny, hopping along. If I were a bunny, I'd tell you what I'd say. Howdy, folks, hello to you and happy Easter Day. Hopping along, Easter Bunny, hopping along, Easter Bunny, hopping along, Easter Bunny, hopping along. Nice hopping, bunnies! Hello, families and teachers of young children. Just want to make sure you read the description below the video. It has lyrics and learning activities to do with your children, all related to the song. Now, how much fun is that? And wait, there was one more thing. Oh yes, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And let's see, there was one more thing. Oh, one of these would be nice.